Are you chained to your timeshare? Using a timeshare can be very restrictive sometimes and can also seem like an additional financial burden. You are basically buying a townhouse for a period of time and are actually responsible for maintenance, insurance, taxes, and upkeep in addition to the mortgage you took to finance the purchase. You have the same unit every year unless you pay extra to switch location with another owner. Going to the same property over and over again can become very monotonous, and for this reason, one may actually begin to consider on how to sell a timeshare. Timeshare resale can be a very difficult and time-consuming process, but we as specialists help you sell timeshare free of cost. We help you sell your timeshare at the highest price with the least hassle. We guess this is what you have been looking for all this while. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.